Hi, hello, Esteban XR here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to capture spatial video on an iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max running on iOS 17.2, and then you can share that video on your Apple Vision Pro headset. So let's dive right in. Alright, so what we want to do first is we want to head over to our camera, and on the lower left part of the screen, we want to enable the spatial video icon. This will enable spatial video on the Apple iPhone camera. We can then start capturing our video. Our phone is going to suggest the landscape orientation just because the landscape orientation works better for the Apple Vision Pro format resolution. But once we're happy with our spatial video, we can save that file over to our iCloud. Our iCloud is going to enable us to take that video over from our iPhone and put it over on our Apple Vision Pro. So once we've done that over in our Apple Vision Pro now, we can then navigate to our iCloud files over here, and then we would choose to save that file locally. So here is our spatial video captured on iPhone 15 Pro, and we can choose to save that file locally, and this will allow us to replay our file as a spatial video inside the Apple Vision Pro. So if we navigate to Photos, Spatial Media, we will now see our spatial video reflected here. Alright, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Do hit like and subscribe, and also let me know what you create a spatial video of. I do think there's so many possibilities with spatial video, and I do think that over the course of the next few years we'll be seeing spatial concerts, spatial attractions. There'll be so many more things that will come to our immersive landscape just because of spatial video. So as always, this is Esteban XR, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye bye.